Alright, we made paper boats to float in the swamp. That is the backyard.
You hear ducks? What are they?
No, I think they're frogs or something. So we've had a ton of rain today, and the backyard is a big swamp, so we made boats to sail in it. Alright. Alright, Satya, why don't you sail your boat?
I don't want to do mine first, because what if it goes wrong?
Okay, I'll do it first. You ready?
Alrighty.
Alright. Sail away. Wow, that was brilliant.
I'm going to try mine over here. There's a little more depth.
Where?
Over here.
I want to see.
Oh, sorry. It's just sitting
It's
there.
just sitting there. Alright, where are you going to do yours, Satya?
Not mine, this random one. I think this is Roman's. This is Mom's. Whichever one.
That's the current
Where?
under the trees, the bushes.
No! Where's a good place?
Hold on. Let me get an oar. I'll get an oar.
Do you want to put one in, Rohan? You want to put?
My boat right
Okay, you gonna put it in the water?
here. I really want you to fall in right now. I don't need to fall in. Hey, he's not fishing. Can't hit.
Sounds like sheep.
It does.
Satya, don't put your feet in it because of nastiness. Here, let's make this one go through. You could get it in the current.
Who's on my hair?
Well, it's still just sitting there. It was a great idea. They just don't really
Maybe
work.
we should launch over there.
Yeah.
We need.
There we go.
Oh,
it's
oh.
motion.
a little bit.
Here's the current. Maybe it will float away. To Garnia.
Let's get it. We can't.
No, we don't want to get it. We want to see it float.
Okay, so it's more of a harbor, not really a sea back here
Yeah.
in the yard.
Here, I want to do mine. Can I have that stick?
Sure, honey.
I want it first.
Okay. Watch out, little boy.
The grass kind of sticks up there through the water.
I'm going to take you back. Are you taking my back? Where? You taking my back? Pretty boat. You taking my... Pretty guns.
Oh, capsize!
Oh, man.
Dun dun dun.
Oh, man.
Oh, oh!
Let me get this boat back here, Satya.
Huh?
I'm going to get the boat back here.
Man,
Well,
it was
what did
so
you think
victim.
about? What did you think about sailing paper boats on the swamp?
Well, it was great because there's the swamp monster, and my boat fell victim to the my poor boat fell victim to the evil swamp monster. So it was great.
What do you think about sailing paper boats, Rohan?
Hey, this fall off.
Hey, you guys, look at it. It's working.
Yay!
Hey,
Moved a little bit.
guys. Oh, whoop, whoop,
It's
whoop,
a
whoop.
snake. Yuck! Yuck, Mom! Yuck! What?
Look at
There's that sink. There's the one. Right
Oh.
there. What?
There's a worm on the tree. He found a worm on the tree.
Oh yeah. Disgusting
There it
worm.
is. Yeah, wiggling about. Well,
Disgusting
on that
worm.
note, sail away, sweet little boat, or just drown in the backyard.